LGBT History Month is so important because we need to recognise our history and not repeat the mistakes of the past, understanding where we come from so that we can make the future more inclusive as well.
LGBTQ History Month is important because for too long we've been hidden from history, and it's really important that our voices and our stories are heard and that we don't just reflect on how far we've come, that we commit to continue to campaign for change.
LGBT History Month is really important because we need to learn from our past to be able to move into the future, and everybody deserves to live their life with dignity and without fear.
LGBTQ History Month is important because it's the old classic adage, if you don't know where you come from, you don't know where you're going to.
LGBTQ month is important because we must remember that people came before us and they've got very interesting stories to tell, and that can help inform our activism.
Well, LGBT History Month is really important because it's fantastic seeing mainstream media presenters having to say LGBTQ+ and getting all the letters mixed up.
I think LGBTQ History Month is important because we don't want history to repeat itself, and unfortunately it can. Laws can be taken away just as easily as they were granted, and we can't forget the people who have given us what we have today.
LGBT History Month is important because we need to understand that we've always been here and this isn't a new phenomenon, and it's good to learn from our past mistakes.
LGBTQ History Month is important because as a trans person, I can feel inspired by the people who came before me, because we've always been here and we will continue to always be here.
LGBTQ History Month is important for so many reasons, but prime is because we can't let history repeat itself. We have to have a foundation on which we build our future, and acknowledging where we've come from is important so we know where we're going.
And of course, LGBTQ History Month is important because the world is changing. We have the forces of whatever happening across the Atlantic. And you know what? If we don't remind ourselves of our history, we won't learn those lessons of the past.
LGBTQ History Month is really important because it celebrates all those who don't often have a voice, and it gives people a voice who need it.
LGBT History Month is important to remember how far the LGBT community has come over time.
LGBTQ History Month is really important because it just reminds everybody that we've been here forever and we will continue to be here forevermore, and so we should learn our history.
And she means not on this sofa, obviously.
Hopefully not.
We mean metaphorically, generally.
It's like it's sink lower and lower down.